Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a drafting of bodies block, that is with darts. The material list is French curve, measuring tape, straight scale, eraser, mechanical pencil and drafting sheet. First of all, we will make a rectangle box and the length of the bodies block is 15 inches. So my length of the bodies block is 15 inches. Then I will mark 15 inches point. And my round bust is 34 inches and the width will and my round bust is 34 inches and my width will be half of round bust plus 1 inch for ease. That is 18 inches. Then I will mark a point on 18 inches and I will make a rectangle box. Now after making this rectangle box, I will mark in center from width wise. It is 18 inches and I will mark center of this, that is 9 inches. After that I will mark a straight line. After that same I will mark a center point on lengthwise. So it is 15 inches and I will mark it 7.5. And make a straight line. And my box is ready for drafting. Now I will name that A, and this is point E, center of A and C, and this is F, center of B and D, G, center of A and B, and this is H, center of C and D. Now after that I will make a neckline, and this is my front part, this is my back part. So for front part I will mark neckline at 3 inches. Three inch on this side and same 3 inch on lengthwise. Now I will make curve on these points, which will be my neckline, with the help of French curve. And this is my neckline. A1, A2. So after neckline I will mark a point of across shoulder. My across shoulder is 15 inches and I will mark point at 7.5 from point A. That is, we will mark half of across shoulder from point A, and this is point I, and this is my across shoulder. Now from across shoulder I will mark point of down shoulder, that is 1.25, 1 inches plus 2 lines extra, and this is point I1, and this is my center front, which is G and H. And now I will mark a point on my center front line, which is across shoulder minus 0.5, that is 7 inches. And this is my point K, and this is a point J, which is the center of front and back. Now I will join the line I and K. And now I will make a armhole joining I, I1 and J. Now this is my point, that is drop shoulder. I will join it with A1. Now moving towards bottom. Now this is my waistline, which is B to D, and now I will mark a point, and the measurement of my round waist is 28 inches, and I will mark a point on 1/4 of round waist, and my round waist is 24 inches, so 1/4 of round waist is 7 inches, and I will make a point on 7 inches. This is my point L, and joining J and L in a straight line. And this is my front bodice block, and now we will make a dart. And for darts, this is my nape point. From nape point I will mark 10 inches down. From nape point 10 inches down. And this is the center front point, and 3 inches from center front point. So this is center front point, and 10 inches from nape. And it is my pivotal point. Now I will make a radius of 1 inches. Radius of 1 inches means from center point we will mark 1/2 inches. And after that mark a point on waist. From point B 3.5 inches, and make a straight line away from the circle. This is 3.5 inches, and now I will make a dart, and the front dart will be total 1.5 inches. So I will mark a line of 1.5 inches, means 0.75 on both the side. This is 0.75 and this is 0.75, and join this point with this center one. And this is my waist dart. Now I will make bust dart. Now I will make a center point on this line. It is approximately 8 inches, and I will mark a point on 4 inches. And as same, make a line and make a straight line from this away from that circle. And the dart width will be the same, that is 1.5 inches, means 0.75 on both the side. Now I will mark a point. This is my point, which is 0.75 on both the sides, and joining this point with the center line. This is my waist dart and this is my bust dart. Now because of these dart, we will extend our bodice block. From side seam, we will extend 1.5 inches, and I will mark a point from L. And this is my point, which is 1.5 inches away from point L. Now join this point with J. And from downwards we will extend 1 inches. From point this, I will extend 1 inches down. Same from point this, 1 inches down, and make a straight line. And this is my front bodice block, which is completed. Now for back, I will mark a point on 3 inches, which is for neckline. This is my point C1. Now after that, I will mark a point from C1 to 1.5 inches upwards. And this is my point C2. From C1 to C2, it is 1.5 inches, and from C2 to C I will make a curve. Now from point C I will mark a point for across shoulder, that is half of across shoulder. It is 7.5. And this is my point M. 7.5, half of across shoulder. And now I will mark a point from M to M1, which is half inches, and it is drop shoulder. It is half inches. And now I will join C2 and M1. And after that I will make a point on center back from H, 7.5 inches. This is my point N. Moving towards waistline. This is my waistline, which is F to D, and now I will mark a point from D, that is 7 inches, 1/4 of round waist. 28 is my round waist and 1/4 is 7 inches. And now I will join a line J with point O. And after that I will join point M1 with N. Now I will make a curve joining M, J. And back is completed. Now I will move towards dart. This is my center back point. Now for back darts I will mark a point from H, that is 3.5 inches. This is 3.5 inches. I will make a point of 3.5 inches. Then make a straight line joining the waistline. And the total dart length is 1.5 inches. So as same 0.75 on both the sides. And join these points with the center one. Now my dart is complete. As seen, I have done in the front I will extend the length and the sides by 1.5 and 1 inch. For sides, I will mark point 1.5 and join this 1.5 inches point with point J. And extend it 1 inches downward from the waistline. Now my drafting is completed. I will cut down this drafting, and this is my drafting. So my drafting is completed. Bodice block with dart. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and I hope you understand. Thank you.